Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony CDX-GT300 or GT350S car radio receiver and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your radio is not working or it's not connecting or it's not pairing with your devices or you're having any kind of issues like this that you're trying to fix, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason is if you're setting this radio up in a new car or something like that, or for whatever reason you just want to get it restored to its out-of-the-box settings like you were setting up a new radio, we can go ahead and do that. Now we just need to find the reset button. The reset button is actually behind the front panel. So what you need to do to access that button is, first of all, you're just going to turn the radio off, hit the little open button, and then this just slides slightly to the right, and then the left side, it opens from the left side like this. And then you can get to the back panel. And then you'll need a pen or a pencil or a paper clip or something like that. And you can just push the reset button, which you'll see it's right about here on the panel behind the front panel. Press and hold that for a second or two. Put your front panel back on and you're good to go.